Hey, what's going on, guys? So we're back live, and just kind of wanted to talk to you guys about what's going on with Crypto Cash Hub and Coincierge Club right now. I know everybody probably saw all the new social media accounts that we put up. It's because we're trying to kind of separate the two brands and let people know that one is here to help you guys get started in crypto without getting ripped off, and one is here to provide a very specific service, which is the most versatile, most powerful private key wallet on the planet, with speeds faster than Visa, 3 times faster than Visa to be exact, and able to hold more crypto coins or more different cryptocurrencies than any other wallet on the planet by like a long shot. Like, our nearest competition is 125 coins, and we're at 12,000 plus coins right now. So that's why we created all the Coincierge Club social media. We're ramping up right now. We brought in a big investor about a week and a half ago with a lot of resources, and we are going to be going to Louisiana, New Orleans, for Collision, which is a massive startup event. There's going to be some major names in the startup community. I mean, not that he's that big in the startup community, but Al Gore's a speaker, just to give you the idea of the capabilities of what we could do with this thing. And we're throwing everything at it. New branding, new materials, new cards, new website overhauls, YouTube channels, everything. So if you were wondering what's going on, again, still a lot of opportunities to get involved. We're just killing it right now. So anybody have any questions, shoot me a call, 949-610-2270, and we're here for you. Talk to you soon.